Oh, Bill has pretty eyes?
Yep, look up his nose.
What do you think, Gus? Should we let him out?
I'm waiting.
Okay, wait for him to come out, Lynn. Yeah. They're gonna be friends forever?
Oh, see, that's kiss the horse.
Come on out, Bill. Oh, you love your Gus, don't you? Who do you love more, Gus or Bill? Bill? Oh, Gus, I still love you more. Lindsay, do you love your new goat and your good old Gus? Aww. Ashley's trying to grab the camera. Let's get a good look at you, Billy. Oh, there's Gus. Hey, Gus.
Hey, Gus.
Hey, Lindsay. Oh, Gus. Oh. Hey, you. Hey, you cute goat. Hey, you're a cute goat too, Gus. Don't you worry.
Hey.
Lindsay, are you a cute goat?
No. Hey.
Oh, are they gonna ram?
No.
Are they brothers that like to rumble? This new guy's really gentle. There he is, folks. Replacement Nay. Yes, you're a cute little dog guy. You're cute too. Don't worry, Gus. I still love you.